Hello and welcome back to Metal Trade Solutions. I'm Tobias. We got a pretty fun project going on today. It kind of involves all the processes that we do here, at least it's more than one. We got a customer who needs this sort of intercom system rebuilt, sort of to house some of these instruments and also some new ones. So, started off here with a design in Fusion 360. We pulled out parts we're going to plasma cut. We made ourselves a blueprint so that when we're down in the shop we know exactly what we're trying to make. So let's go down there and get at it. Gotta find our piece of material, which is right here. We'll find a section where we can fit this on there. Put it on the plasma cutter and maybe we'll bug mark too. Mark, how's it going today?
Oh, we're struggling right along.
Great.
Making some stairs. It's gonna be pretty cool.
This year we are celebrating 20 years of business. We are offering 20% off of
Disclaimer, I don't really know what tip or amperage or voltage to use on any of this. So I'm guessing at a fine cut tip at 45 amps, 130 something volts, 54 inches a minute. Wish me luck. Let's do a real quick check, see what we come up with. After double checking some dimensions on here, I took my part and I marked it up where I need to put recesses and where I need to countersink. Just a nice note so I don't mess it up later on. It's always really fun when we get a challenge like this. That way we can do a little plasma cutting, do a little machining, do a little bit of design work, and put it all together, and voila, we got a we got our part all done. I checked everything that I could, and everything seems to be good. So we're gonna send an email to the customer and let him know that it's done. He can come pick it up whenever he's ready.